So affiliate marketing is without a doubt the best business for beginners. Affiliate marketing is how I made my first ever dollar online, and affiliate marketing is the business model that allowed me to quit my job in 2016. Now, what I want to do in this video is tell you how most beginners fail even before they get started. And this is probably happening to you right now, and you might not even know it. That's really what this channel is all about. I want to give you straightforward, no bullshit information about the easiest way to make money online with affiliate marketing. So imagine that you want to generate a passive income stream. Think about money coming into your bank account on autopilot, right? Imagine opening your email and seeing those commission notifications that, hey, you just earned some money. Okay, that's a great feeling. Now, obviously, it's going to take a little bit of work to get to that point. But if you apply yourself, if you focus, if you do things like pay attention to the people who are actually giving you good information, but then you follow through and actually implement that information, you can find success with affiliate marketing. That's the best thing about affiliate marketing. There is no one in this world who can't succeed with it. But the even better part is because of the way affiliate marketing is set up, there is truly no limit to the amount of money that you can earn. But here is how you might be looking at things in the wrong light. And this could be what actually prevents you from finding the success that you really want to see with affiliate marketing. So if you want to make passive income, make sure you pay attention to what I'm about to share with you right now. You see, most people, when they start thinking about affiliate marketing or start thinking about making money online, they start with the Google searches and the YouTube searches. How to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing. Have you gone through that yourself? Go ahead and let me know in the comments below if you found affiliate marketing and the business model of affiliate marketing by doing a Google search or a YouTube search. Okay? See, what happens here is after you do those searches, a lot of times you're going to be introduced to ClickBank. Most people, when they're first getting started and they're first being introduced to the affiliate marketing model, and they get introduced to ClickBank. And maybe you've heard things like, oh yeah, ClickBank is great because they sell digital products and that means you get a high commission. Or maybe you've heard things like, oh yeah, ClickBank is great because they have a wide variety of products. That means you can find something in every niche. Okay, you've probably heard those things if you're familiar with ClickBank. The problem is, and I know this from experience, is ClickBank is one of the worst ways for beginners to actually get started. Now, of course, it's very easy to get approved to promote ClickBank products, and therein lies one of the major problems. ClickBank is extremely saturated. There are hundreds of thousands of people promoting ClickBank products, and the other side of that is ClickBank products aren't really that good in themselves. So what that means is that you have to be an expert marketer to promote ClickBank products because the products themselves aren't that great. Now, the other reason beginners usually get in trouble with things like ClickBank is because the wide variety of products that they offer. And what ends up happening is beginners will promote one product and they might not have success with it. So they go and promote another product because there's plenty of offers right there on the platform. And what ends up happening is you start to spread yourself thin. And instead of devoting 100% of your efforts towards a cause, you're all over the place and you're putting 10% of your efforts here and 10% of your efforts here. So really, you're not putting a whole lot of effort to any one thing. Well, how do you expect to ever find success if you're only putting in 10% of your effort towards something, right? What you should do instead is choose one affiliate program and go all in. And here's the secret. Here's the number one thing that I want you to take away from this video right now. Don't go out into a platform like ClickBank that has a bunch of offers that are obscure. Take a look at the market. Go around YouTube or wherever it is that you hang out and see what other affiliates are promoting. See what other affiliates are making money with. Then jump on that opportunity and focus 100% of your efforts on promoting that one product. And this is super important because if you see a bunch of affiliates promoting a specific product, then you know that converts. And the last thing you want to do is waste a bunch of your time on an affiliate product that doesn't convert. And guys, I've been doing this since 2012, and one of the best converting affiliate products that other people are promoting right now that's making money in the market is Legendary Marketer. And that's why I started this channel. This channel is dedicated and devoted to helping you make more money online with the Legendary Marketer program. So if that's of interest to you, first, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit bell notifications. That way you do get notified whenever I release a new training tip or tutorial. And then also check out the first link in the description below. You're going to learn how you can start your affiliate marketing business in 15 days or less. And finally, don't go after the obscure products that you're going to find on ClickBank. I already told you to see where the demand is in the market. What you want to do is you want to jump on those opportunities, because it is so much easier as a marketer, as an affiliate marketer, to get in front of demand than it is to actually create the demand yourself. Right now, there's a tremendous amount of demand for the Legendary Marketer program. Right now is the best time to get in front of that demand. You can still have the opportunity to get in front of the curve, because unlike ClickBank, where there are hundreds of thousands of people on the platform, Legendary Marketer is so much smaller right now. This is your chance to be one of the charter members of a program that is continuing to grow. Guys, this is making people money. This is proven. This is validated. Find the people who are on the leaderboards. Model their systems. Watch the videos on this channel so you know exactly what to do. I break it all down for you. And check out my15daychallenge.com if you want to learn how you can get started with this amazing opportunity to finally start making passive income with affiliate marketing. We'll see you all very soon. Have a great day.